the silence of the night, shadows shift and sway, whispers of the dark call, leading hearts astray. But through the veil of twilight, the stars begin to spark. Hope ignites a fire, illuminating the dark. With every swing of the pendulum, time reveals its weight. We are the warriors, dancing in the rain, chasing down the shadows, breaking every chain. Together we will rise, defying all the pain. With the pendulum swinging, love will always reign. Fighting through the heartache, the struggle is profound. Yet the light breaks through the cracks in melodies unbound. Echoes of determination rise like morning larks. Together we'll ignite the dawn and chase away the dark. In the balance lies the power within our soul's embrace. We are the warriors, dancing in the rain, chasing down the shadows, breaking every chain. Together we will rise, defying all the pain. With the pendulum swinging, love will always reign. In the battle of the stars, we'll forever play our part. Light and dark, a symphony resonating in our heart. We are the warriors, dancing in the rain, chasing down the shadows, breaking every chain. Together we will rise, defying all the pain. With the pendulum swinging, love will always reign. Love will always reign. The battle of the stars, we'll forever play our part. Light and dark, a symphony resonating in our heart.